Now this is a video that we're doing on the Bendigo So Easy sewing machine. So this is where it started off. Just with the So Easy on the base. And round there is you've got Bendigo Sewing Machines Company, So Easy trademark, made in Australia. So they started off with So Easy. Then Ward Brothers, or Wardana, got wind of it and they became the major shareholders. So they then had the Wardana put down there. They then had Wardana put on the machine with many different decals, and the Australian Sewing Machine Company Proprietary Limited on the top. They also retained the So Easy badge on the legs. Then when things got a bit tight, Wardana sold all their shares. This is around about 1925. And the company then reverted back, still with the same machine, went back to the old So Easy decal with the Jones decal. And under here you've got the So Easy. We believe that's got Wardana behind it, and they've just put that tin plate over the front, wholly and solely to, and then printed or painted the So Easy on it. Again, the legs have the So Easy trait. Now, the biggest problem that they had with these was, is this machine, does it treadle as good as the imported machines? So it certainly casts a little bit more cruder. Looks very, very much like a Singer 27. So now let's have a look at this. Where's that? We'll turn it around. So how does it treadle in comparison? You've got a very nice stitch under there. So I'd say in a comparison it actually does a very, very good job. So that'll give you the journey of the So Easy. It started with So Easy and finished with So Easy on the top. Sold by Wilson's Drapers, Bendigo. But the lion's share of these machines, probably a large percentage of the 1500, actually had the Wardana there and the Wardana there. So that was 1923 to 1925. So this will give you a little bit of an idea on the Bendigo sewing machines. So even though it's got Wardana, you still have made by Bendigo Sewing Machines Ltd. So that's a little quick one about the Bendigo sewing machine. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Wayne and Judy signing off.